Hey, just wanted to make a quick video. I guess this is kind of vlog style. I'm here at the animal hospital with my dog Rowan. She has not been eating for a couple days, so we took her to a vet down here in San Diego, and they said, take her over to the hospital. We're worried that she's about to get expensive, but she's worth it. Rowan is about 13 years old. We don't know. We got her as a rescue. She's a golden retriever. Golden retrievers, 13 is she's kind of an old lady. We're a little worried here about what we're gonna find, but hopefully we'll get some more time with her. This is definitely the most awake she has been in days. She's been spending most of her time sleeping and not doing much eating or drinking. Vet number one, though, gave her some medicine to make it easier to get over to the animal hospital. So hopefully the animal hospital will give her more medicine and she'll get even better. We're very lucky. Both my wife and I work from home, and we've got the flexibility to be able to deal with a dog emergency during the day. It's one of the things I wanted when I was starting my business, was being able to work from anywhere and have some flexibility. And also I wanted to work with clients who are really good people. And that's why I decided to work with coaches. And it's great to have clients who are really understanding and patient. If I happen to fall behind this week, I trust that everyone will be really patient with me. You guys are the clients that I wanted to work with. Thank you guys for being so cool.